What is up everyone, this is Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A12 or M12 Wi-Fi keep disconnecting problem or Wi-Fi losing signals. So before starting video, if you are first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Wi-Fi problems in Samsung Galaxy A12 or M12, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.